Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To mingle. Olivia and Sam are at an art gallery opening. They're interested in meeting new people and discussing the artwork. Sam, I feel a bit nervous. I want to meet some of the artists, but I don't know how to approach them. Don't worry, Olivia. Just be yourself and start by complimenting their work. That sounds like a good idea, but I'm still a bit shy. It's all right. Just take a deep breath and remember that everyone's here to appreciate art and make connections. You're right. I'll give it a try and start mingling with the artists and other guests. Thanks, Sam. No problem, Olivia. Let's enjoy the gallery opening and make some new friends tonight. Quiz time. What does to mingle mean? To avoid social interaction? To mix or interact with others? To organize an event? To compliment? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To mix or interact with others. Verb details. We often mingle at conferences, mingle at parties, mingle in clubs. To mingle is all about meeting people. When we use this word, we imagine blending in with the crowd, fitting in, and being socially open during some kind of classy event. When was the last time you mingled? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. She enjoyed mingling with fellow art enthusiasts. It's important to mingle at conferences to expand your professional network. He's always eager to mingle with people who share his interests. I felt nervous about mingling at the event, but I met some amazing people. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To approach. To get close. Take a deep breath. Breathe and relax. Fellow art enthusiasts. Similar art lovers. Eager. Excited. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.